Welcome to this technical guide on the Xiaomi Robot. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Xiaomi Robot can connect to Wi-Fi, it can be quite frustrating. This issue usually arises due to a faulty Wi-Fi module, software glitches, or even interference from other devices. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to your robot being unable to receive updates or access essential features, ultimately affecting its performance. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Ensure you have a clean, static-free workspace to avoid damaging any components. To begin, power off your Xiaomi Robot and unplug it from any power source. Carefully flip the robot over to access the screws on the underside. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws, taking care to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the casing. Be cautious during this process, as you don't want to damage any clips that may be holding the casing together. Inside, locate the Wi-Fi module. It's typically a small rectangular component connected to the mainboard with a couple of wires. Carefully disconnect these wires using your tweezers, taking note of how they are attached for reassembly. Once the wires are disconnected, you can remove the faulty Wi-Fi module. Replace it with the new one, ensuring it fits securely. Reconnect the wires exactly as they were, making sure they are firmly attached. As you reassemble the casing, take care to align it correctly and gently press it down until you hear a click. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could strip the screws. Once everything is back together, power on your Xiaomi Robot and check if it connects to Wi-Fi. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure your Wi-Fi signal is strong and free from interference. Regularly check for software updates for your Xiaomi Robot, as these can improve connectivity and performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.